Happy Conians and welcome back to my channel and welcome to first video of Scratch tutorial or should I say Turbowarp tutorial, I don't know. So in today's video I'm going to show you the UI and everything you need to know for now about Scratch, and then in next video we will be start actually coding. But this is just UI and stuff like that. So okay, anyways, let's see. Let's say you just want to start programming, but you don't want to start off quite hard like Unity or Unreal Engine. You want to start off with something easy. And you chose Scratch. So let's see. You can just enter Scratch by typing scratch.method.education or edu. And here you will be signed out like this. And then just enter your username, your password, and sign in. And join Scratch also, which will be here, as you can see. But anyways, I don't actually recommend you using the Scratch. First of all, you need to be online. It's not offline. Second of all, it has a lot of limits and it's just not that good. I recommend you the extended version Turbowarp. How to get Turbowarp? Just go to Microsoft Store. Wait a second. Okay, here. And just type Turbowarp. Here, Turbowarp. And then just click install. Oh my god, it has 4.9. It had 5.0 when I installed it. Okay, whatever. So when you install it, you can just put it on your desktop if you want. But I will not. I'll just enter Turbowarp. And here you have Turbowarp. In this tutorial, I will be explaining everything you can, want, or don't want to know in Turbowarp. See all these stuff? Those are blocks. Turbowarp doesn't actually use any sort of coding. I mean, yes, it does, but it's not like coding, typing some random letters. You have these blocks, which is I think a lot better and easier. It's 2D engine, okay? There you can't make 3D. I mean, you can make raycasting, but it's not really 3D. So yeah, it's 2D language, but it actually has not so many limits. It's not limited like you can make anything in 2D, like almost anything. So let's see what do we have in here. First of all, um, see this advanced and these add-ons. This Scratch or normal Scratch doesn't have these options. So if you enter advanced, it will get you to this. Now you can custom FPS. You can make it 60 FPS because Scratch is usually 30 FPS, but 60 FPS is better. You have a lot more stuff in here. You can also change the resolution. As you can see, it can be 1080p, it can be 4K. Okay, probably not, but whatever. And add-ons, these are a lot of cool add-ons which will completely like change it. So here are one of my favorite add-ons. First of all, this cat block add-on. You have this like cat and it's so cute. Then joystick add-on, which actually makes it joystick compatible. Here I have my Nintendo Switch joystick. It's not plugged in. Wait a minute. Uh, Here. Now it's plugged in, as you can see. Oh no. See. So here's left joystick, as you can see. Here's right joystick. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Here are some buttons. It says Xbox 360 controller because I have also Xbox 360 controller plugged in, but this is Nintendo Switch. So yeah, as you can see, pretty cool stuff, and you can make it like WS. Maybe you can WSD, change it to whatever you want. It's pretty cool. But the best part about all of this is package project. If you ever wanted your like project to not only be on Scratch but maybe itch.io or Kindle, or if you're brave enough, maybe even Steam, well, now you can just click File and Package Project, and you will be able to actually package project in one of these categories. You can make it an HTML, you can make it a zip, but for website, you can make it Electron Windows application. You can make it for Mac and Linux. So you have a bunch of things here. You can hide cursor, you can have custom cursor, which is pretty cool. You can have a loading screen, say whatever you want, custom resolution, custom frame rate, a bunch of really cool things. And let's not forget about the extensions. Here are the extensions, Turbowarp block, and also let's not forget the add-on that lets you like almost every button click. In Scratch you couldn't click shift or right click, but not here. Here you can, like, let's see, wait a minute, key press, you can space, you can right mouse button, you can, it's actually different block for the here. You can primary button, it's left click, you can middle, you can secondary, you can shift, control, maybe even like a lot of cool things. And you have this like log, as you can see here, that's pretty cool also. But okay, enough of the Turbowarp abilities. Let's see what Scratch has. Okay, first of all, costumes. If you want to make costumes, you can, yeah, here's for sprites and here's for background. Now let's go into sprites and I'll do this. You can just do drag mouse here and select it all and just delete. So you can upload, HD upload is only for Turbowarp. You can upload any HD picture from here. Let's say this, not, you get the point, like this, and here you got it. But anyways, you can also surprise it. This is a random picture, a random sprite from the list, the Scratch list. As you can see, it's random. There is also choose a costume, which you can choose any costume from Scratch library. And last but not least is paint. So you can paint. You have, of course, the paint button. You can choose any color, even opacity in Turbowarp, and just draw it whatever you want. You can, of course, undo and redo. When you draw something, you can select this and actually, control the like edges or whatever. So you can do like this. Pretty cool, huh? And of course, the select. Here you have copy and paste, delete, flip horizontally and vertically, front and back, which will just make it if you have multiple sprites. Actually, let's change color of this one, and then I do this. Now this is in front of this green one, but if I press back, it will be behind it. Of course, backward is just a few layers, but there are only 2 layers to this, so it doesn't matter. Of course, there is the fill. Let's say like this, and at the end, of course, if you just do this and um, click group, it will be as one. It can be like split apart, but if you press ungroup, it'll be 2 different parts, as you can see. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And there is text, of course. You can change how it looks. You can handwriting, marker, or whatever you want. Of course, the eraser. Oh, it looks like a 9. And of course, the stick or the line one. You can change how thick it is. 5. Here's 1. You can't even see it. Of course, circle and square, it looks like this. And if you press shift, you can make it like a perfect square or perfect circle. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's say here I'm going to make a smiley. So yeah, also if you press shift while having this, you can just snap it like this. So you do this, then say like this, and eyes to be white. Okay, it looks kind of creepy, but whatever. And of course, okay, it looks kind of creepy, but you got the point, alright? Same thing, also convert to bitmap. It can be like pixelated like this. Also, you can change it, the resolution like this. Look at this. Whoop, it's more pixelated now. If you go all the way like this, convert to vector and then convert to bitmap, it'll be pixelated like this. Okay, that's cool. So you can make also 8-bit like games. Just zoom in a lot like and just pick like black and get to 1 pixel. And you can actually make it like a smiley right here. Look at this. So you can actually make like 8-bit art like this. It looks kind of strange, but whatever. Convert and then just zoom out and look, it's pixelated, so that's pretty cool. Same thing goes for backdrops. You can do same exact thing, but you can choose backdrops, not sprites. Okay, let's see. Also, you can save to your computer, save this file, but I'm not going to save. As you can see, I'm working on three games right now. Two. One is completed, and I'm working on two of them. But yeah, you can save it, but it's not really important right now. You can also change how the UI looks, but I prefer this one because it's wider. And also, let's see this customization. So you can rename the sprite or the background, but I don't have a backdrop. But anyways, you can change the X and Y position. What is X and Y position? X is horizontally like this. Actually, horizontally like this, and Y is vertically like this. So this is Y, this is X. Okay, and in the center is Y0 and X0. Okay, it looks bad, whatever. So here's an example. Here's a square and it's in center. It's 00, but if I move it like this in the corner, it's negative 200x because it's on the left. It's plus on the right and negative on the left for x. For y, positive up and negative down, as you can see. You can also choose like to hide it, for it to disappear and show it. Change size, that's pretty straightforward. And direction it's facing, if it's like an arrow. Here we go. Okay, this is janky arrow. What the hell? So you can change the direction. Just you can change it manually like this, but you can just use this like clock and make it look however you want. If it's in this, if you press this, it will only be able to turn around two, like positions left and right. If you press this button, it can't turn anywhere. Do not rotate. This is left and right rotation, and this is all around, so you can like do everything that you want. But 90 is for it to look like this on the right. Okay, how long is this video? Oh my goodness, 14 minutes. Okay, but I think I covered everything. Yeah, also sound. Yeah, I forgot about that. So here you can record the sound like blah blah blah. Okay, it sounds bad because I'm having a OBS on also, but whatever. So you have some effects like faster, slower, louder, and softer, mute, which will just mute it, fade in and fade out, reverse, robot, and echo. Okay, and you can choose a sound for from our library. Let's say you want a glass breaking sound, so here we have that. You want to customize it, you can like echo for like more glass to be shattered or whatever. So yeah, and you can also upload a sound if you have any. Like I have this, and it's boo, very creepy music. Okay, whatever. And surprise also. What the hell? It's also just random stuff from sound library. Library. Sorry, library. Uh, you can reverse it, and yeah, I think that's it. In next episode, we will be focusing on programming, and yeah. So I hope you like this video. If you want to learn Scratch, I really appreciate if you would like this video and subscribe it, and then wait for the next one. So yeah, as I was saying, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.